A call for answers and accountability following Oregon's deadly heat wave. Tonight, there's a big demand for change in air conditioner-less apartments where the most vulnerable people lived. Pat Doris has the details for us.
During the worst of the heat wave, a home health care worker told KGW News a client's apartment on the 6th floor of this building, called the Northwest Tower, was 109 degrees inside. The building has no central air conditioning.
Yeah, I think it's a really big problem that we need to address.
Melissa Unger is executive director of SEIU Local 503, which represents home health care workers, including the one who told us about the super hot apartment. She said it's common sense to add central air now.
And making sure that the housing and the buildings that we are doing for our most vulnerable, seniors and people with disabilities, that it has air conditioning is really important.
Home Forward is a public agency and the largest provider of affordable housing in Oregon. It serves the poor and the vulnerable. It owns 72 buildings, including Northwest Tower. Most were built before you needed much air conditioning in Oregon. Now, of those 72, only one has central air. 3 deaths at Home Forward properties are suspected to be connected to the heat wave. 2 of the deaths were in high-rise apartment buildings without central air. But the executive director said the agency will not install central air in any of the buildings. I asked why not. Why not come forward and demand that the federal government, state and local governments, who have huge budgets this year, supply enough money for retrofitting for central air conditioning? Some of these apartments are 13 stories tall and there's no air conditioning. How can people be expected to stay there, for the next heat wave?
It's an important question. And, it harkens to my earlier answer about the exercise we have to go through in terms of figuring out, all of the possible disaster scenarios that we have to prepare for and what investment is required to do that.
He said Home Forward is retrofitting its buildings to withstand earthquakes and that there's simply not enough money for something like central air.
This really reflects the degree to which we prioritize making these investments in our own citizens as a country, and we need to do better.
I also took the question to Multnomah County Commissioner Sharon Myron, an emergency room doctor who knows better than most the danger that 109-degree apartment posed.
Absolutely. That is horrifying. And that is exactly the kind of situation that we need to be able to identify and prevent where we can.
But she's not yet ready to call for central air in places like Northwest Tower.
While we look at more of these events, there is absolutely will be a need, I think, for more air conditioning units, both wall units, central air. But what's really important is to take a step back and analyze where that would be the most appropriate and effective response.
The commissioner said she's waiting for a county report that will look at what went right and what went wrong during the deadliest heat wave in Oregon history. The heat wave highlighted a major problem in those big public apartment buildings. No centralized air conditioning, and they hold some of the most vulnerable people in our area. We're going to keep asking tough questions until something is done to better protect those people for the next time around. In Northeast Portland, Pat Doris, KGW News.